So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, we're going to go through a few methods that we can try to fix your blue screen problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have any restore points available on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. This should then fix your problem. If you don't have any restore points, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. For the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then boot you back into Windows, and then hopefully that will fix your problem. If that did not work, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. You can try doing an uninstall of the latest quality updates. These are the small monthly updates that fix bugs, improve security, and patch stability issues. The feature updates are large updates that add new features, change the Windows version, and modify system behavior. I wouldn't uninstall these for now. This could take a long time and be more of a hassle. So just uninstall the latest quality update, see if that works for you. But if the future methods are still not working, you can try going for this one, uninstall latest feature updates. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in chkdsk c:/f/r and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you can now close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to come back into this screen like I show you how to do at the start of the video. And now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. We're going to enable safe mode, so you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4. It's now going to take us into safe mode. And now once we're here, you want to go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. If you have any drivers that you've installed recently that you think may be causing a problem, then you want to uninstall them. So for example, let's say that I recently updated my graphics card, and once that happened, I started getting problems. I'm now going to uninstall the driver for it. So I'm going to expand Display Adapters. I'm going to find my graphics card. I'm going to right click on it and then click on Uninstall Device. And then click on Uninstall. Now once you've uninstalled your faulty driver, now you want to restart your computer. It's now going to take you back into Windows, and it should automatically reinstall your driver again. And then hopefully this will fix your problem. For the next method, you want to come back into this screen. I show you how to do that at the start of the video. And now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter again. Wait for this to load. For the last one, you want to type in bootrec /rebuild BSOD. Click on Enter again. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Continue to Windows. Hopefully this will work for you. For the last method, you want to come back into this screen and then click on Troubleshoot and then click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your important files backed up, you want to select Keep My Files. If you do have your important files backed up, you want to go with Remove Everything. Reset your computer, and then this should work for you.